We're going for a little snowshoe this morning. Is that right, Graham? He's got his jacket and boots. We're doing the same path we've been doing. It's been a few days. It's been like a week. Gotta flatten it all out again. It is freaking, I don't know, it's like 15 out. I'm sweating. I'm only wearing a sweatshirt and a t-shirt, but it's warm. He doesn't seem to care. Doesn't seem to care at all. Yeah. What's over there? Huh? Yeah, go ahead, go past me. Yep. He is extremely annoying to have behind you because he just rides the snowshoes. Just rides them. Yeah. You can sort of see the path we had made last week. It is significantly easier remaking this now. Probably spent a couple hours out here. It's not that cold out. He's warm. And really, no matter where we are, we're not that far from heading back. So, alright, we reached our stopping point. There's this creek and pond. There's the handsome fella. It's not too far in. We bushed back, I don't know, another couple 100 yards of new path. That's about all I want to make new a day because it's exhausting. We're getting a good enough walk in right now. You ready, Graham? You ready? Alright, let's go. He's such a good boy. We're sort of almost back. It's been a good It's been a good stroll. I'm dying of heat, more than I should be. Look at the temperature. It's actually only 5 degrees out, and I'm sweating. Graham, come here. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, he's getting that recall down pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Just enjoying a nice stick while Dad was checking some footage. Yeah. Good. Still got all 4 booties on. Got my jacket on. I still got my booties on. My jacket on. We're good. Successful. I think I'm done taking shots. Alright, we are pretty much at the end. Our house is just over there. That one's not ours, but we're just around the corner. Alright, so we have completed our walk. Now I ran to town because, as you may see, my thumb I sliced open yesterday, and I had to get some super glue because I can't fully close it with Band-Aids. So I'm gonna put a little bit of super glue on it, close that up. I'm gonna clean it out real good first, then super glue it, and yeah. But now I'm taking the boy. I'm gonna get a coffee, and I'm gonna get a cheeseburger. Well, I'm gonna get 2 cheeseburgers for me and the boy to split, because he loves them, and I would like some coffee right now. Yeah, do you know where we are? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. We're good. Might as well capture the last bite. That's it. Just a napkin. Alright, run out of cheeseburgers. And we just got 2 handsome boys. 2 handsome boys. Gosh, I know. He's like, but Dad, you kind of taste like cheeseburger. Alright, I am gonna install amber fog lights on my truck. It's these lights down here. Should be real easy. You can get to it like right behind the light. Oh, you may also notice I put a bull bar on the front of my truck. I also put a front hitch and tow pin up there, and new tow mirrors. I lost all that footage, so none of me putting that on. My friend helped me. Took us like 6 hours to put this bull bar on it because the instructions are atrocious. But I'm gonna put these lights on real quick, hopefully. Hopefully it's just one turn, unplug, plug and play. Let's see. You should just come right out, I would think. Yeah. All right. New one. Okay. There's the new side. There's the old side. Me and the boy are here watching the sunset. Put the drone up a minute ago. I'm gonna wait to see if we get more color, maybe put it up one more time. But it's a gorgeous, gorgeous night out tonight. We've still got like a half hour before it's supposed to be actually sunset, so we'll see. And there's the final sunset. Gorgeous. Turned out to be pretty good. I also forgot to press record for a bunch of the drone footage I wanted to get. So, well, that sucks, but I still got some, so hopefully everything turned out good. Now I'm gonna head back home and I'm gonna edit this video, and this should be uploaded this week.